Alright, hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can edit your Supermoon photos that you've taken using your Mi 11 Ultra and make it really Instagram ready or social media ready. Now the photo you're seeing right now is the actual photo as I have captured using the Mi 11 Ultra Supermoon. So it is fine, but as you can see that there are a bit of artifacts and it's a bit washed out. I mean, it's still an awesome shot, but it's still washed out, and I would want it to be really crisp and punchy before I post it to social media, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So this is the raw photo, and just to prove that we are in fact using the Mi 11 Ultra, I'm just going to go into settings, and we're going to go into about phone. So there you can see that's the Mi 11 Ultra. Okay, so with that out of the way, now let's close gallery. We are going to go into Lightroom, so I'd suggest you download Lightroom, and I've already imported the photo here, and here we are. Alright, so now we are going to edit this without making it look artificial obviously, but adding a bit of punch to it. So the first thing we do is, before going into light color, we go into effects, and the first thing you do is you slide the dehaze button to the right. You increase that. Okay, next you increase a bit of the clarity like so, and a bit of the texture. Next we go back to light and we increase the contrast. As you can see, it's already getting more contrasty and punchy. We reduce the highlights a bit, reduce the shadows, increase the blacks, and reduce the whites just a tad bit, and the overall exposure, I wouldn't want to mess with it too much, maybe just a tad bit. Maybe that's a bit too much, we'll just increase that a little bit. Yeah. Now we go back into effects and we add some vignette, increase the dehaze almost to maximum. As you can see, that artifact, that halo around the moon which was there originally is gone. This is a much more punchy image. If you want, you can go into sharpening and add just a tad bit of sharpening here, not too much, and more or less your image is ready. So let's just do a before after. So if I long press, this is what the image was originally, and this is our final product. Again, the original image, the final product, and then you can just export, either save it as JPEG or DNG, TIFF, whatever you want. Set the quality to 100%, and our photo is exported, and that is all. So guys, I would suggest that if you do buy this phone and use the Supermoon mode, please use these editing techniques to make it stand out and give it more detail and punchy colors, because you want it to be social media ready and give your best photo possible. So it's just a quick tutorial here. Hope you found this helpful. If you want more like these, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you have any questions, also do let me know. I will try to answer them as quickly as possible, as much as I can. So smash that like button if you enjoyed this, share this video, and subscribe to Purecast if you haven't already. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.